This is Maharashtra that we are speaking of. With Ajit Pawar gone, the NCP now finds itself at a crossroads, wherein questions of leadership, unity and direction loom large over the party. The power tussle in the party already seems to be surfacing, wherein NCP leaders, including party working president Praful Patel, has already held a meeting with Ajit Pawar's wife, Sunetra Pawar. Sources have in fact come out to tell India Today that Sunetra Pawar is likely to contest from Ajit's now vacant seat, which is Baramati. Sources have also said that there's a strong push to induct her as Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister, and NCP leaders are likely to meet Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to discuss the proposal. Further, Praful Patel is likely to take charge and lead the party going forward. And sources have also indicated that the NCP will soon be discussing a possible merger with Sharad Pawar's faction. As per sources, Ajit Pawar had been discussing a merger with the NCP SP since the municipal corporation elections. In fact, it hinted at a reconciliation just days ago before this tragedy struck.
कुछ विधायकों ने भी मेरे कान पे डाला कि
उनके एनसीपी एसपी के
हाँ नहीं उनके उनके कि दादा सब हमें भी साथ लेके चलो, क्योंकि अभी ऐसा हुआ है कि अपोजिशन वाले विधायक रहते हैं तो उनको उनके कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में जो भी डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए मदद लगती है उतनी मदद नहीं होती जितनी रूलिंग पार्टी के विधायकों को होती है। पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, अपोजिशन में रहने के बाद भी अपोजिशन का काम होता था, थोड़ा बहुत कम होता था। समझो रूलिंग पार्टी का 100% काम हुआ तो इनका 50% 40% ऐसा होता था, लेकिन अभी की सिचुएशन अलग हुई है।
With that, Vidya joins us from Mumbai at this point of time. Vidya, very good morning to you. There is a lot that's happened in Maharashtra in just the last 48 hours or just over 48 hours. Now, with such a vacancy, of course, Ajit Pawar was a tall leader, not just a tall leader, he was holding important portfolios within the government. He was the Deputy Chief Minister himself of Maharashtra. So there are a lot of vacancies at this point of time when we speak. When we speak of NCP, Ajit Pawar faction in itself, there were talks and speculations over whether they will be merging with the Sharad Pawar faction. So taking a look at all of this, what are you gathering from the ground there at this point of time?
Well, we have been speaking to a lot of NCP members, and although the talks of merger is also being mainly pushed by the Sharad Pawar faction. If you look at it, there are more talks of merger by the Sharad Pawar faction than from the Ajit Pawar faction. Ajit Pawar, since the split, has been talking about how the NCP and in its entirety before its split also should have actually gone with the government, as he said that it works smoothly when you have work getting done. Opposition's work does not really get done. However, with if the NCP Ajit Pawar faction, with Ajit Pawar no longer being there, there are, of course, everyone's talking about how Sunetra Pawar, the Rajya Sabha member, she should be the one now heading and become the DCM. And this is being said by the top rung of the NCP Ajit Pawar faction. They are the ones who are pushing for Sunetra to become the Deputy Chief Minister here in Maharashtra, and that she should lead the party here in the state. And there are people like Praful Patel and others who are already in the parliament. They would do look at the entire union ministries affairs and things like that. However, in the state, it should be Sunetra who should be heading. Well, these are still being talked about. The conversations are still happening between the party members. However, as of now, the Ajit Pawar faction hasn't really made it very clear that post Ajit Pawar, will they really merge with the Sharad Pawar faction? Now, that's something that's not really come in the forefront. But yes, they do want Sunetra to become the Deputy Chief Minister and lead the party here.
That's what we're learning at this point of time, Vidya. Thank you for putting it into perspective for our viewers. Of course, politically speaking as well, there is a huge gap, a huge void that is to be filled up at this point of time, and who shall be taking on the reins at this point of time, both of the party as well as of the role of Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is to be seen, and we are keeping a very close watch on the same.